Dungeons & Dragons is a tabletop role-playing game where players use their imagination to create characters and embark on adventures in a fantasy world. The game is typically played with a group of people, with one person acting as the dungeon master, who creates and narrates the story while also controlling non-player characters and setting challenges for the players. Each player creates a character by selecting a race, class, abilities, and other attributes, and assign them a backstory and personality. During gameplay, the players describe their character's actions and interactions with the world, while the DM responds with the outcome based on dice rolls and the game's rules. The game is driven by storytelling and problem solving, with players using their characters' skills and abilities to overcome obstacles and complete quests. The game's rules are based on a system of polyhedral dice, with each type of die representing a different aspect of the character's abilities. D&D is a social game that encourages teamwork, creativity, and imagination, making it a popular pastime for many people around the world. The game has evolved over time and continues to inspire new generations of players to explore their creativity and have fun.